Hello everyone, today I will show you how to connect your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 headset to a PC. First, you need the USB transmitter that came with your headset. Take the transmitter and plug it into any available USB port on your computer. Make sure it is fully inserted so that it can communicate with your headset. Next, you need to power on the headset. Press and hold the power button until the headset turns on. You will notice a light indicating that it is powered. Once the headset is on, it should automatically pair with the USB transmitter. You do not need to press any additional buttons. The pairing is complete when the LED on the transmitter shows a solid light. After the headset is paired, you need to configure your PC settings to use the headset for both sound output and input. On a Windows PC, click on the speaker icon in the taskbar or go to the sound settings. Under the playback devices, select your Turtle Beach headset as the default device. Do the same under recording devices to use the microphone on the headset. Once this is set, all system sounds and game audio will come through the headset, and your voice will be captured through the headset microphone. Thanks for watching.